Hey folks, this is Wesley billion dollar Virgin. Check it out. So imagine making money online using puzzles. You see this? I'm doing a puzzle. Smash the like button if you remember doing puzzles, right? You remember the time when we used to do those puzzles here? So someone asked me, say, Wesley, is it possible to make money playing games? And what I'm going to show you step by step, how to use puzzles like this and get paid up to $700 per day. Right? Look for the word structure. Right? Structure right there. So boom, I found the word. So as you can see here, bam, we will make money. Look at that. Just doing puzzles here. So listen, this is the first step. And remember, smash the like button, sub to the channel. This is the site that you need to go to. It's called puzzle.org. Because basically what you're going to do is you're going to sell puzzles. Okay? Yeah. You're going to sell puzzles. And I know what you're thinking, Wesley, I don't know how to create a puzzle. Well, I don't either. But this site right here, if you hit the button that says create, what it does here, it allows you to basically create whatever puzzle you want. And I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to sell these. They're selling like every day. I have a friend in Canada right now, 23 years old. He sells a ton of these every single day. He's up $700 per day. And I said, man, how are you doing this? And he showed me. And I decided to make a video for you. So smash the like button, because I'm going to continue to do that, because I got a lot of friends in the internet marketing industry, and they make money with so many different things. And I want you to understand that you can make money online, but just don't give up. Okay, keep trying. Trust me, it will work, but just never give up and keep watching and stay engaged. So check it out. So see if I want to create a puzzle. Okay, word search. Okay, sounds cool. And here you can put whatever word you want. It can be tadpole. You can make up anything you want because it does it for you. You can say Wesley, right, loves, right, me. I mean, you know what I mean? Right? If you love me, smash the like button. Well, how easy was that? You go to settings here, right? You name it. You can name it your name. Your name is Big Head. Yeah, I like your big head though. Look, big head, the size can be whatever you want it to be, right? You can make it larger, north, south, as far as the directions of the actual words itself when you find them. And then all you do is go to publish here, and it creates it. And if you want to play it, right, you can actually play the puzzle immediately. Let me go to my settings here and then make sure I save everything here. That's good to go. All right, we're good to go here as well. Done deal. And then listen, when you're ready to publish, then you just publish the freaking puzzle. Now I know what you're thinking. Well, okay, Wesley, where do you go to actually? Oh, I need to save it. Sorry, guys. So I save it. So if I want to play my own puzzle, boom, there he is. Big head. Smash the like button. That made sense, right? I just made a puzzle in 5 seconds. I didn't need to be smart. I didn't need to do research. I just made a puzzle. Now the question is, how do I sell this? Listen, there's a ton of people. They have a community. It's going to blow your mind because you're not going to believe me. But listen, it's a community right now that's called Puzzlehead Community. I swear to God, like Puzzlehead Community. And these folks, all they do is build puzzles and they sell them all over the internet. And what I want you to do, I want you to tap into this money-making online opportunity with these puzzles here, so you can just do it by yourself, along with yourself. Is that cool? So listen, say if I created this puzzle that's ready to get sold. I download it, I print it out. Now I want to make some money. Go to the site, Fiverr.com, okay? All you do is type in puzzle. Stay with me here. Smash the like button or comment below if you're with me here. Every once in a while, I look in the comments below. So listen, comment below. I always read the comments to get more ideas of different videos for you so you can make money online. But check it out. It's going to blow your mind. Look at this guy. It's crazy, right? So this guy right here has already made $500 plus from puzzles. Okay? Is that insane? From puzzles that he probably did not create. Okay? Check it out. This guy right here, over $500. Okay? This guy right here, over $500 again. Right? Creating puzzles, folks. Puzzles. Look at this person right here. Over $2,000 on puzzles. Right? Now, the question is this. Okay, Wesley, you want me to basically take the puzzles, follow me here, take the puzzles from this website, create a ton of them, right? You can hire somebody to do it, or you can just do it yourself. It takes 2 seconds to do. So basically, you wanted me to create these puzzles, create about 10 of them, then go to Fiverr.com, create a free profile, right? And all I want you to do is, because I know what you're thinking, well, Wesley, how are people going to find my puzzles like this? This is the secret that I've never shared before. So if you ever want to rank on Fiverr, okay, you basically want to go to bestseller here, okay? See what it says, bestseller? And then what you see below is everybody that's a bestseller. Then what do? Comment the word model. That's all you do. This is why I'm rich. This is why I'm talking to you right now, Wesley $1 billion Virgin, because I model somebody else. All right? That's all you have to do is model. So this guy right here, actually this guy right here has 242 reviews, right? 5-star ratings. So guess what? And also he made over $4,000. Smash the like button if that's what you want to do. Make over $4,000 with puzzles. It's crazy, right? Click on it and you model everything, okay? You model this title. You model everything about the gig. Just model everything. You're basically almost copying. Of course, put your name here, right? You're going to copy what's in the basic, standard, and the rim. This is what the top guys are doing. You know, it's not me. They just copy other people's stuff. They model. I can't use the word copy. Model other people's stuff when they're trying to go into a new niche, like on Fiverr or any website, right? So all you do is model this, and then when you post your profile ready to sell, Fiverr is going to rank it. Because how the algorithm works with Fiverr, it finds once it finds a product that already does well, when it's looking for number 2, it finds something that's comparable to what's already there. This is how it works. And all of a sudden, you just rank. That's why this guy's ranking right now. He only had 13 orders because he kind of knew. But as you can see here, he's number 3. How did he do that? Well, he just modeled this guy probably, okay? So that's all you got to do. Smash the like button if you can do that. Obliterate the like button. Smash it, baby. Bang that like button, baby. Bang it. Bang it. Come on, then bang it. Bang that like button, baby, because you're going to do it right now. Now, listen, the question is there an easier way? Absolutely. Listen, you have a software right now in my description right now. No lie. I'm going to be very honest with you. It will do all what I just showed you basically with a click of a button. Okay, it will build out the puzzle. It will set it up to get sold. So you will make money basically with this puzzle freaking software, this builder, and the software does everything for you. As far as not only does it build it, it puts it in a position so you can make money from a click of a button. And I know some of you don't believe me. Some of you are not saying, "Oh, I'm not going to click the link in your description, Wesley, and get that software. I don't want to get rich. I'm going to be skeptical. It's not going to work. It never works." Okay, well, you'll always be broke. Go back to your job. But the people who have an open mind and say, you know what, maybe this is it. If the software does everything for you. There's software right now, and I recommend a ton of software on my channel now because it works, and this is what I'm using. So listen, if you want to model me, this is what I would do if I was broke. I would take my finger, I would go to my description under this video, I would click on the first link. It'll say wesleyvirgin.com puzzle. Grab it, buy it, get it. It's cheap. It's not $1,000. It's not even $100. Okay, it's less than, it's like 2 cents a day. It's like $17. Get it, use it, and make a ton of money. Okay, you have people that are making over $30,000 per month doing this. It's crazy. Why not you? If you're in your 20s, 30s, or 40s, or 50s, take a chance on yourself. $17. Get access to the puzzle, but unfortunately only 10 people get access to it on a monthly basis here. And I get people all the time say, Wesley, is it still available? It says $1,000 now. Yeah, because you're too late. Listen, I believe everybody has one opportunity to change their entire life. I'm not saying that this is the opportunity for you, but what if it is? What if everything changes because you try the software, you do it, you learn it, and you make a ton of money? Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. I love you. I'll see you soon. The link is under the video in my description below. Grab puzzle because I'm using it. and I'm already rich. So I love you so much. Let's go. Motivated, dedicated, let's go.